Let us look at page 9 of our science workbook, and we're going to be looking at the sense of taste and smell. Your nose and tongue give you information about what is around you. Sometimes these sense organs can help to protect you. For example, the smell of smoke can warn you of a fire. The tongue. The tongue, which helps to mix food with saliva during digestion, is the major organ of taste. It is an elongated muscular organ located in the mouth. You cannot talk or swallow without your tongue. The upper surface of the tongue is fairly rough with tiny bumps called taste buds or papillae. Your tongue's taste buds can distinguish four main tastes: sour, sweet, bitter, and salty. Messages of taste are sent to the brain through the nerves leaving from the taste buds. The brain identifies the substance that is being tasted. Different parts of the tongue are sensitive to different tastes. And if we look in the upper right hand corner, we'll see a diagram there showing the tongue and the regions for certain tastes. So to the tip of the tongue we have sweet, just behind that we have salty, then sour, and at the back of the tongue we have bitter. We move on to the nose. The nose is our organ of smell which filters incoming air. Air enters the nose through two openings called the nostrils. The nostrils lead to a space at the back of the throat. This space is called the nasal cavity. The cavity is covered with a special skin that produces a sticky substance called mucus, which keeps the inside of the nostrils moist. Inside the top of the nose is a set of receptor cells covered with damp hairs. When you breathe in, air passes over the hairs. These cells sense any smelly particles in the air and send appropriate message through the olfactory nerve to the part of the brain that deals with the smell. Our sensory cells in the nasal passage are thought to be able to detect 7 basic odors. The many different scents we can identify are a combination of these odors. So we're moving now from page 9 and we're going over to page 10. Your tongue and nose work together to help you enjoy tastes and smells around you. The flavors of food are a combination of their tastes and smell. Taste is linked to the sense of smell, and that is why it is hard to identify different foods separately if your nose is blocked or if you are suffering from a bad cold. The sense of smell is reduced by the extra mucus in the nasal passage. So here again we have a little unit review, and you're supposed to go through and match column A with column B. And what is in column A now? The lining of the nose, and that would be the mucous membrane. So please continue looking at the unit review, and I'll see you in the next episode.